Forget everything you thought you knew about investing. If your portfolio is only stocks and crypto, you're missing massive opportunities. The world's smartest investors are already building wealth in ways you've probably never considered. Here's the truth. 90% of us investors keep their money locked in stocks, bonds, and cash. But in crashes, stocks and crypto fall together, like in 2022 when Bitcoin collapsed 65% and Nasdaq dropped 33%. The illusion, safety, the reality, correlation. Meanwhile, Asia faces a similar trap, with traditional options dominating while new opportunities rise in silence. Take art and collectibles. The global art market hit $65 billion in 2023. Contemporary art has returned nearly 14% annually since the 90s, beating the S&P at times. Asia is rising fast. India's modern art market surged 265% in a decade, with record sales over $13 million for a single painting. In Hong Kong, new wealth is shifting auctions, while Singapore and South Korea grow as new art hubs. Classic cars outperformed almost everything, up 185% in 10 years. Rare whiskey up 280%. Fine wine plus 149%. Passion meets profit. Beyond skyscrapers, glamping is projected to hit $7 billion by 2030. Fractional ownership platforms are booming, expected to reach $9 billion by 2027. In Asia, Singapore's $100 billion REIT market is one of the most tax-efficient in the world. And then there's intellectual property, a $500 billion plus market. Premium domain names like voice.com sold for $30 million. Meanwhile, online education is booming, $650 billion by 2030. Micro-investing is democratizing wealth. Platforms like Mainvest in the US and funding societies in Asia let you invest in local businesses with as little as $100. Crowdfunding is exploding. Global equity crowdfunding could hit $43 billion by 2031, and peer-to-peer lending, worth $150 billion in 2023, projected to soar past $800 billion by 2030, with Asia Pacific leading at 30% plus growth rates. But unconventional doesn't mean easy. Liquidity is slower, valuations can be subjective, taxes can bite harder. Collectibles are taxed up to 28% in the US, yet the upside is powerful. Alternative assets often move independently from stocks, reducing portfolio volatility. The alternative investment market is projected to hit $20 trillion by 2030. So, where do I start? First, I will adopt a new mindset, from chasing fast gains to building resilient, diversified wealth. Second, I will test small with $100 with fractional art, real estate, or lending. Third, in the near future, I hope very much, mix passion with profit, cars, whiskey, art. Now I want to hear from you. Which unconventional investment excites you the most? Art, cars, real estate, or something else? Drop it in the comments and let's shape the future of wealth together.